In this video, guys, I will be sharing with you 3 amazing automations inside n8n that save me plus 10 hours every week, and the best point is I share them totally for free in this material, so stay to the end. So right away we've got the first automation that allows me and my team to save a lot of time, and it's all about the Notion and Slack tasks. Because just look, we've got our Notion database where we just fulfill the tasks, we've got the deadline, we've got the information, like entire database, okay? However, we communicate on Slack. So this is the point. Without this automation, we would need to just say every time whenever we've got the new task, hey, this is the task, this is the deadline, this is the description. It doesn't make any sense. That's why I built this entire workflow that contains 3 automations, and now I will explain everything step by step. So the first thing is like this automation, and it triggers whenever we've got new page added to database, okay? So then what we do, we get our assignee. So inside also we've got the assignee ID, and then we send a message like telling, okay, hey, we've got the new task inside Notion. Inside Notion. And basically it looks this way. So we've got the new task like this one, okay? So new task assigned and create carousel post. We've got the assignee, we've got the status, description, priority, and due date. And the link to open, actually, the link to Notion database. And the format is pretty nice. I worked on this format for a long time, okay? So every time we've got the new task, this specific notification is sent to our team tasks channel, which is great because like the format is so cool. I mean, yeah, it's so great. And this is the first automation. However, we've got two second automation, which is about updating the database. So it works this way: whenever we update the task and it's done, we send also the announcement. So for example, here we've got the announcement. So task completed, reel, cover, photo, unlimited business ideas, and also the link to Notion. And the third automation, what it does, it allows us actually to provide a notification whenever we've got like 3 hours to the end of the task, all right? So 3 hours deadline. So it works this way: we've got we get the Notion database pages, we check if the status is equal to done or not. If it's done, we just do nothing. If it's not done, we continue here, and we check if the hour is less than 3 hours, or if it's greater than 2.6. So we just trigger this automation every 24 minutes. So in that case, like this notification will run only once. Will be given only once. Then what we do, we get rows from the sheet. So we get assignee ID, and we send the message saying here hey, the task is to be done, okay? And basically this is everything. So this free automation workflow allows our team to just stay on track with the tasks and to manage everything inside Notion and Slack. By the way, if you want to download this template 100% for free, along with 2 next templates I will be showing in this video, go ahead to n8n Enthusiasts, which is our free community. The link is in the description of this video. Click on Classroom, then on Christian's YouTube resources, and yeah, just find here I will just drop the page right there. So free automations to save 10 plus hours every week. And you've got all of these free workflows ready to use. But let's move on to the second workflow, which is literally amazing and it saves me a lot of time. And I'm talking about the company inbox manager. So what it does, it's pretty simple. It actually labels our incoming emails to our Gmail. However, right now, when we go ahead to our Gmail, just look how organized this is. So we've got different labels, cooperation proposals, courses, learning, financial, invoices, newsletter, notifications, personal. So we've got everything sorted in one place. And now when you have your inbox, I used to have very messy inbox, okay? But after just having this entire automation, everything sorted out, and I've got labels. I can even change here the colors. So if I go here, I provide the color, then everything looks just better, okay? And once again, this automation allows me to do this. Additionally, we've got another version. So let's say you've got the entire inbox with 5,000 emails. So then you can just take this automation and just click here, and then it will just sort and label your latest like previous emails, okay, before this automation, before you have this automation you had. So this way you can sort your emails, have everything organized, and once again save a lot of time. Maybe it's not the automation that, you know, like at the front it looks like it saves a lot of time. However, in long term, you know, like you've got all of the emails sorted in nice places, and I can say it's really effective and it's really productive to have this type of automation. I think every business should have it. So yeah, this automation is another workflow that saves me a lot of time. And the third automation that I literally love is this YouTube video posting system. And you can customize it basically for any circumstance. But the point is to create the automation that creates for you the content based on something. In that case, I've got my latest YouTube video. Whenever I have the YouTube video, I just run this automation, one click, okay? And afterwards, I've got the content created for Facebook post, email campaign, school announcement, and other things, okay? Then it's saved for YouTube video posts, for this specific Notion database. And just look how much content I've got here. Of course, sometimes the format can be not that great. However, it requires only just a little tweaks, you know, so we just tweak it a little, we just spend 1 minute or so, and then we are ready to do this, like to publish this content on social media. So we save a lot of time. Even we've got the YouTube link to the video, that's great. And the best point is, once again, you can customize it for any purpose you want. Maybe you've created some article, and then you create the automation to create variations for, based on this article, you create variations for social media, or maybe, I don't know, you just provide other format from the content you just created. So once again, it's super cool. You can customize this automation. For me, it saves me a lot of time once again. So these free workflows are super cool and super effective. And that we have it. These were the free automations that save me a lot of time. And basically, I can say it's more than 10 hours per week. Because actually, like, imagine, even if you have only the inbox manager, like without it, in the long term, you can spend a lot of more time. Everything is very messy, and just it sometimes you can't even like define it in number of hours, if you know what I mean. But yeah, these automations are super cool. You can download them for free in my free school community, so feel free to join to just check it out. For now, please leave the like for the YouTube algorithm, click the subscribe button, and with all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.